Hello everyone, this is Oswald Byebazo, and today I'm going to take you through identification of farm tools, equipment and implements. But before I go far, let me first ask you to take the standard operating procedures seriously, avoid crowded places, if possible stay home, and sanitize as frequently as possible, and wash hands as frequently as possible. And together we shall be able to defeat this pandemic. So, as I said, today we're going to look at farm tools, equipment, and implements. Farm tools are equipments that are used in carrying out the routine husbandry practices in crops and animals. Every activity on the farm is a tool specifically designed for it, so it is done efficiently and effectively. So tools and equipments are designed to perform a particular task on the farm, so that it is very important to choose the right tool for the right job. In order to understand these farm tools, it's important that you classify them first. I've tried to classify them into 5 groups. We have gardening tools, milking equipment tools, livestock management handling tools, farm workshop tools, and poultry management equipment or tools. Gardening tools, these are used in carrying out the routine agronomic practices on the farm. The daily activities we do on the farm, be it planting, weeding, pruning, manure application, all these activities, there is a tool designed for it to be effectively done. So examples of these gardening tools, we have a hand hoe, we have a forked hoe, we have a gardener's trowel, we have a spade, we have a garden fork. Look at their designs, and because their designs are in line with the particular purpose they are meant to serve. We have a shovel, we have a rake, all these are gardening tools. We have a manure fork, we have a wheelbarrow, we have a knapsack sprayer. These two, the wheelbarrow and the knapsack sprayer, are multi-purpose tools. They serve more than one purpose. We have a watering can, we have a dibber, we have a panga. Most of you know what pangas are and how they look like. We have a sickle, we have a pickaxe, we have an axe, we have pruning knives, we have a tape measure, we have a secateur, planting line, gumboots. Of course, because of lack of enough capital, most of the farmers use the same tool to do more than one purpose. But for efficient work and effective work, it is good that you use a particular tool for a particular purpose. So under milking tools, first of all, milking tools and equipment, these ones are used during milking, especially by dairy farmers, in order to produce clean milk. Examples of these, we have the strip cup, the milk strainer, the milk pail, sometimes they call it a milking bucket. We have the milking can. I hope you observe that both the milk strainer, milk pail, and milking can are made of aluminium. We shall look at the purpose of that later. We have the weighing scale. We have the lactometer, the milking salve. So these are used during the milking process in order to produce clean milk. Then we have those tools we call the livestock management handling tools. These are used to carry out again the routine management practices of animals, right from when the animal is born at calving up to when the animal is mature. There are these activities we do, like castration, dehorning, etc., and there are tools specifically designed for that purpose. So under there we have the drenching gun, we have the Byebazo, we have the rubber ring elastrator, an ear tag, the troch and cannula, the halteres, the injection syringe, and the dehorning saw. So these are used in the routine management practices of livestock. Then in the category of farm workshop tools and equipment, these are used in constructing farm structures, fencing, constructing farm buildings, constructing structures like the deep tanks, the spray race, all those structures that are used in managing livestock. You need these tools to carry out this construction. So under there we have these examples: the claw hammer, the ball pen hammer. They are all hammers, but the design is different. The cross-cut saw, the hack saw, the tenon saw. Look at all those saws. They are designed differently depending on the purpose that they serve. The jack plane, the mallet, the pliers, wire strainer, screwdrivers, spirit level, plumb bob. These are mainly used for building. Then we have nails, the barbed wires, the bricklayer's trowel. Then also have the mold. So there are even others I've not mentioned, like the files, etc. The spanners. All these are used in constructing farm structures or constructing some of the parts of farm structures. So we also have the poultry management equipment. These are used in carrying out routine management practices in birds or in poultry. And under there we have the nesting box, the feed trough, we have the egg candler. Look at their designs. We have the egg tray, we have the roast or the perch, and also have the poultry drinking trough. So these are mainly used on a poultry farm. So I would like that in your groups, of course now you are scattered, but maybe through technology you can be able to gather in your groups. Maybe you have WhatsApp groups of the group members. I would like that you share the images of these tools that I have provided, and you discuss on your WhatsApp group, discuss or list down the functions of each of the tools that has been discussed above. And then when we resume, we shall be able to share the information from the different groups, and then we'll be able to know the functions of these tools. So I've shown you the tools, discuss in your groups, find a way of sharing. Technology has made life easy. Share these images and then come out with the functions of each of these tools. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Visit this link as frequently as possible, and in order to do so, the link is right there. Visit it for more resources or more information. I thank you very much, and I wish you good luck.